Hello guys. So today we'll be looking at Docker file. So Docker can build images automatically by reading the instructions from a Docker file. A Docker file is a text document that contains all the commands a user could call on the command line to assemble an image. Using Docker build, users can create a automated build that executes several command line instructions in succession. The page describes the command you can use in a Docker file. So this is the Docker file is used to communicate with the Docker ecosystem to build an image or to run on the basis of some conditions which the programmer can provide. So let's try to build an image. Let's go to Ubuntu. So first we have to make a file called Docker file. So that for that we need to direct to the desktop on the virtual machine. So we'll go there. Home. So we'll make a file called Docker file. You could name this file anything, but for our convenience, I'm naming it Docker file. Let's get into the Docker file. So now we'll edit, go into the editor, the Docker file. So in the editor, we can give multiple instructions. So the basic instruction is the from. So here we'll be giving a base image. So the next we need to give maintainer. This is the information regarding the user who's creating this image. So I'll be giving my name, and you should also give your email ID. So the next command we have to give is run. So in run we have to give a command that it will run during the container creation. So I'll give, as this is Ubuntu, I'll give apt get update. So next we have to give it a command which it will run when it is been created. So we'll echo a message here saying hello people to my first image. So these are the instructions which we'll be giving for this image. To exit we should first escape, press escape. Then after that we give a semicolon, WQ, and enter. So this is done. Now if we check for the contents of the Docker file which we just manipulated, we can see the contents of the file. These are the instructions which will be run. So now to build this image, we should write the build command, and here as we are in the location of the file in which we have written the commands, we just have to press full stop. And if you are in any other location, we have to give the exact location where the file is present, the Docker file which we are trying to write is present. So here I would like to add something. This is the minus "-t". This will give a name for our image. So I'll be naming it my image. And I will also give it a tag 1.2. Let's run. So as you can see, it's building our image. So this is our image has been built. So if we check for Docker images, so there is a new image called the my image. It has 1.0 tag. It is assigned image ID. And yeah, so now we'll try to run the image and try to use the image ID only. So as we can see, the message which we are trying to display has been displayed here. So this is how we can create an Docker image, Docker file, which will run an image. So thank you for watching.